Hello, my name is Mindy, and today we are going to show you how to install frame plugs into your Therma-Tru LiteFrame. You are now ready to install the frame plugs into the LiteFrame. Gently tap the frame plug with a tack hammer and wood blocking until the plug is flush with the LiteFrame. We have now successfully installed your Therma-Tru frame plugs. If you have any further questions, please contact us by email at customersupport@thermatru.com, by phone at 800-843-7628, or our website at www.thermatru.com, or send us a tweet at Therma-Tru Cares.